Hello, we are Project PawPatrol tackling the problem statement for strengthening domestic security. To do so, we actually created a Telegram bot and a web application with separate features to tackle this issue. First is our Telegram bot designed for police officers to plan their patrol routes. So role playing as a police officer, before going for patrol, we will start up the bot and then input our police center, for instance Bishan. The Telegram bot will then display crime hotspots under our jurisdiction, as well as the order in which they should visit the hotspots to reduce overall travelling distance. So we actually generated this output using data analysis to determine areas with crime risk above a certain threshold based on factors including population data, past crime rate data, and data on police camera locations. However, not every area actually had crime hotspots. For instance, if we start up the bot again, places like Sembawang Police Center, under their jurisdiction, there were actually no criminal hotspots above the threshold that we were looking at. And if that's the case, then the police officer can plan their own patrol route.
Hello, this is our second sub-project for the Lifehack 2024 hackathon. So this project is mainly just a web app which utilizes databases and a bit of APIs to actually help the people in the office or the headquarters plan and allocate manpower easier. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and log in. So I didn't hash the passwords because it's for showcasing sake. So yeah, let's just authenticate ourselves. Okay, so as you can see here, it's a very simple website. And I'll just briefly go through everything with you guys. So on the top left here, we have the active patrol section and the threat location section. So, I mean, obviously, us being civilians, we do not have access to all these restricted data. So we are just using pseudo data here, so just bear with me. So let's just take a look here. This active patrols means currently how many units are out on patrol. So for example, right now, every single neighborhood police center in Singapore added together is 94. And then you're like, okay, I'm from Bedok South. I want to see how many are on patrol so I can allocate my manpower. Boom. Two units are currently on patrol. You may be like, oh, we have more people, or I need more people. Makes things easier. Secondly is the threat locations. So these threat locations has a direct link to the map and the incident reporting section down here. So right now it says Punggol, Hougang, and Choa Chu Kang. So if you actually look at the map here, it reflects that it is a threat location for easier visualization. So this map also has Google Maps API. It provides live traffic as well. So I guess it will help with planning, or at least easier, faster response time to emergencies. And on the bottom here, we actually have the incident reporting box or section where it shows you the recent reports that have been coming in. So I've actually added events such that it auto deletes itself, and also if let's say this event or this incident has happened in Bedok, or yeah, let's say Bedok or Tampines or what, and then more and more incidents keep happening in around that major town, then it will be added in automatically to the threat locations section up here. Okay, so now let's go on to the update section. So over here in updates, we can update our patrol status or also submit an incident summary here. So patrol status, for example, let's say right now you are at Hougang Neighbourhood Police Center and there is only one unit on patrol and you're about to head out. So you will just select this and then start, and they'll just say patrol started successfully. They'll update the database, and then when you come back here, it says 95 and 2 respectively. So yeah, so now let's say a new report has just come in and you want to submit it into the database. Let's say we're at Tampines, just say illegal cyclists. Okay, so right here, if we submit, it will just say report completed, and when we go back to the dashboard, it will show just show what just happened. So for example, let's say since we're at Tampines just now, let's just say, okay, more and more reports are coming in from Tampines. Okay, I think that should be enough. So okay, as you can see here, these last 4 incidents were all from Tampines. It just gets added to the 3rd locations, and obviously it gets reflected into the map here. Yep, Tampines. So I just so we basically designed this with the mind that all these heads and supervisors need to plan, or just makes it easier, makes their job easier. And obviously, when something is easier, it becomes faster as well. So I believe all these can help with the security, or at least the problem statement that we're dealing with for the life hack. So that's about it for our second sub project.